So we checked out the first place. We're just gonna give it an immediate no.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it. Bit by bit, it's not ungrateful.
Happy Sunday, beautiful people. So we are on the apartment hunting this Sunday morning. Well, it's actually moving on to afternoon now. It's 15 minutes to 12 o'clock and we're on a late start looking for a new space, but I mean that's how it goes. So yeah, so you all heard, looking for a brand new space, and we're gonna go apartment hunting this morning. I parked. I am gonna need my friend assistance, so he's gonna drive and I'm gonna start, calling places. Well, I've actually started a call already. I do have one place that I already wrote up. Well, I called 2 places so far. I think on my list, well, let's start from the beginning. I'm using the Sunday Gleaner. This is one of the best avenue to look when you're looking for new spaces or a new house or apartment hunting, whatever it is that you're looking for. Yeah, so I always get the Sunday Gleaner, so I bought that already. When I was at home, I ticked off everything that what I'm looking for. If they have the price, if it's within my price budget, I already ticked it off. So the next step that I normally do is have my book and pen. So I actually just number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, and then I write number 1 in my book, and then just write the price as a remembrance, and then call them and get the address, and then I write down the address. So that's what I do. Yeah. I also use another avenue of using the realtor websites. They're pretty good too, but sometimes the website is not updated, and then when you call them, they're like, hey, this space is no longer available. So the best bet that I normally use is just a Sunday Gleaner. Normally you get the person who is renting the place and the landlady right away, and you get all the information that you need on spot on the call. So the Gleaner is your best friend. So I'm gonna start making some more calls, have my notebook here to write it down, and then yeah, hopefully we see some good places today. So yeah. Yes, hi, morning. Yes, hi. I'm calling about the ad that I saw on the Gleaner for a 1-bedroom. Is it still available to look at? Tuesdays. Okay, that sounds good. All right, I'll WhatsApp you shortly. Thank you. No problem, that's fine. Okay, bye. All right, so that one I can WhatsApp the person and get some pictures first, and these are the ones that I absolutely love. You call them and they say, do you want pics first? And they send you the WhatsApp, and based on the pics you know if you want to go ahead and look at it. I love this one. So that's a tip too. Like, hold on. You call them, find out, hey, do you guys have pics that you can send me first? I can look at it before coming to the space. That's a tip. All right, so homegirl said to call her back. No, to send her a WhatsApp. I'm gonna call this one now. Yes, hi, good morning. Hi, I'm calling about the ad that I saw for 1 bedroom. Okay, checking if it's how do you go can huh? Yeah. It says it's in Smokyville. What is the price that's going for?
On furnish is 60, including light and water. Furnish 70, including light and water.
Okay, and it's 1 bedroom.
1 bedroom,
Okay.
bathroom, kitchen.
Okay, got it.
On WhatsApp?
Yes, I am.
Send me a WhatsApp. Put me on WhatsApp and because I'm running down on the road and come back.
Okay.
And just say your name and then if anything else, send it to you. I'll see what I can do.
All right, thank you.
Good.
Is that studio?
You want to send a WhatsApp? Let's go view. Let's go view it.
No, mama. If I should say 1 bedroom and no living,
It's
is that studio?
Exactly. She
No,
already know you don't want a studio. See?
No, I will need thing. I don't want no studio. Wish by me there right now, but it just feel like one studio because my cook me and burn up. There's no ventilation. So I do not want nothing. And something makes sense.
Hello, morning.
Hello, morning. I am calling about the ad that I saw for a 1 bedroom
Yes, ma'am.
space. Okay, checking if it's available for viewing, or can you tell me more about it? If it's 1 bedroom, kitchen, bathroom.
Yeah, 1 bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, upstairs.
Okay, that sounds good. All right, so I can WhatsApp you and then you'll just forward the stuff.
Right.
Okay, I'll do that now. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Explanation.
So we are at the first location at the apartment. I'm not taking any elevator just in case you're stuck. Yes, I'm at the first location, y'all. We're just trying to find the apartment and all that. So I need to call back the person to find out where exactly. Huh? Alright, so we checked out the first place. We're just gonna give it an immediate no. It just needs to renovate. Like, it needs some paint, some renovation. Like, everything needs to be torn out, and yeah, so it's a no. And that one is 85K. Yeah, so we're just gonna move on to the other one. All right, so that is a wrap on the apartment hunting. We literally only went to 1 place, y'all. Let me just look for my list. So in total I called 10 places. Wait, this is 11, 12, 13. Yeah, so in total I called 13 places. Out of the 13, 5, 6 did not answer, no answer. The other two, I got pictures via WhatsApp. Let me turn off the car. Yeah, the other 2 I got pictures via WhatsApp. 1 out of the 2 is a definitely no. That is old as a doornail. The other one seems okay. So I'm gonna reach out to that person, but I wanna go ahead and like physically look at it. The dining and kitchen room area looks okay, but I think the bedroom, I just don't like the color. I think it's a yellow wall. That is not my vibe, but I'll still go ahead and look at it. I'll reach out to the person again. There's another one that's supposed to send me pictures via WhatsApp. She has not as yet. And there is one more I'm supposed to look at. It's on my way going home. I'm gonna check that one, and I think I've actually found it on a realtor website, and if it's it is a no. The floors, the kitchen area is not giving what I'm looking for, but I'm still gonna look at it because it's let me just say, I'm not sure if I'm gonna look at it. I have the full address, so I'm gonna drive past, and if it's that building, then yeah, I'm not gonna go inside. Or yeah, so yeah, overall just one thing we look at, and yeah, that's that. So this is how the apartment goes. So we're gonna pick this up again probably next week or within the week, when I see if anything pops up on my end. Also, another tip, the Gleaner Classified, they do have a website as well, so you don't have to physically purchase the Gleaner. Well, I do recommend purchasing the Gleaner on Sunday morning, but you can also check the Gleaner Classified website. They do, post stuff on the website as well. You can also check it during the week, which is perfect. So that's another tip. But we are hungry, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do any cooking today, but I do need to get some rice. I'm gonna stop at the supermarket, pick up some rice, and I need to pick up some, well, I do have food at home, so I'm not gonna be cooking today. So yeah, but that's what's happening, y'all. But anyways, I'll catch you guys on another day when I'm apartment hunting, basically. Yeah.